Good morning. Surprise! I'm honored to be here today on behalf of Harbor Freight Tools for School to offer a big congratulations to Mr. David McCoy. You are one of the 25 winners of the 2023 Harbor Freight Tools for Schools Prize for Teaching Excellence. Pleasure Ridge Park High School has just won $50,000 for your welding program.
Thank you all so much for this opportunity. I can't tell you how blessed I am. I'm excited about it. I'm going to wear this for a little bit, and thank you for this award.
Winning this prize is no small achievement. We received applications from more than 1,000 skilled trade teachers from all 50 states across the country.
You hear that? That's no good. I can't tell you what this means to me, the successes that I've had. When I came to PRP, the diversity that's here and the opportunity for the students that I get to work with is amazing. I get rewarded every day. I'm an old school kind of guy, but these kids, I believe I think they understand that I really truly believe in them, whether they believe in themselves or not.
Harbor Freight Tools for Schools. Thank you for honoring our teachers. Thank you for having their backs and making sure they have the things that they need, because the things that they need are what give our students a leg up.
I want to share with you a bit of Mr. McCoy's outstanding application to give you a sense of the dedication and brilliance he brings to his craft. What I love most about being a skilled trade teacher is seeing my students succeed. I wish I knew the number of students that I have put to work. I can tell you that I still communicate with several of my seniors I had in my very first graduating class.
He's a great teacher. He always has a smile on his face, and even when he's stern, he still keeps the smile. He's very positive to be around, and he puts you in place. He's great.
He already got me the job at Wirecraft, which is great. I love it. So I really thank him just every day for what he did for me, and it just really changed my path. Really proud of him. I know he's the same proud as me, if not more, but I'm really proud of him, and I thank him. He really deserves it.